Hello friends, this is Milind Kohmaria again. Welcome to day 6 video of World Investor Week 2021. Until now, all the return numbers that we looked at, we talked about one cash inflow and one cash outflow. But you'd be saying that, Milind, this is something that happens on your transaction. I mean, it just happens on books. It's not practical. Practically, we receive investment schemes something like this. I invest 31,000 for 3 quarters, and at the end of fourth quarter, I receive back 1 lakh rupees. How do I calculate returns for this kind of a product? And which return should I calculate? Your questions are valid, my friend. Let me answer these one by one. So first and foremost, let's talk about which rate of return should you be calculating. So of course, the answer once again is CAGR. How do you calculate CAGR for cash flow? And here the amounts are also uniform. The amounts could also be different. That's okay. You can calculate CAGR for different amounts as well, for different tenures as well, using a tool on Microsoft Excel, which is called as XIRR, which stands for the full form Extended Internal Rate of Returns. So let me head to my Excel and show you how you calculate that. Of course, we will be adjusting the CAGR for tax and inflation as well, like we've seen in the past 2 days. So here's the data on my screen, okay, and you can practice this after watching this video, of course, and I'll try and leave a link of this to download this Excel file in the captions somewhere or a comment somewhere, so you can download this and practice this for yourself as well. Okay, so here's how we go about it. You say input to XIRR, and you use tab to open bracket, or just simply type in open bracket. You select the values, you say comma, then you select the dates, you close the bracket, and you say enter. That gives you the CAGR for this kind of a cash flow. So XIRR, it's just a formula in Excel that helps you calculate CAGR. Now, next is we adjust it for tax. So you'll use this CAGR now, and the formula we learned for R into 1 minus the tax rate, which is 10% here. So that is 9.12%. Simply speaking, if you remove, say, 10% of that 10% return that you are making, you end up somewhere around 9%, as we had seen yesterday. And that's what I'm doing again over here. And now you also adjust it for inflation. So then, once again, the formula we learned was 1 plus the rate of return. So now we will use tax adjusted return because we want to adjust for both, that is tax and inflation. Okay. And then you divide it with 1 plus G, which is inflation rate, and you say minus 1. So that gives you, okay, that didn't go well. Here's the problem. Okay, so that gives you 1.98%. Okay, so we started with CAGR of 10.13%, and we ended up making the returns that we ended up making after adjusting for tax and inflation both is 1.98%. I would like to conclude this video series on a note that I concluded last year as well. Financial literacy is not a side effect of wealth. Wealth is a side effect of financial literacy. I wish you all investors a happy investment journey out there. I wish you all keep learning about finances, you keep learning about your personal finance and financial planning, and you keep a good track of your financial goals as well. This is Milind Kohmaria once again. These are my other workshops that I conduct and all my social media handles. You can reach out to me at any of them, and if there's any workshop that interests you, I'm more than happy to conduct these. Thank you so much once again. This is the World Investor Week 2021. In India, we celebrate it from 22nd of November to 28th of November. Of course, to conclude the World Investor Week this year, I start with a workshop tomorrow, that is Learn Financial Mathematics. I hope you'll join. Thank you so much, and I'll see you for World Investor Week 2022 series. I hope you're looking forward to that one. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching this space.